They say machines are coming for jobs, but here's the truth. Machines will take tasks, not your purpose. If you learn to shape the machines, you become the one who designs the future. In the next decade, the rules will change, fast. Roles that felt secure will be redefined. New opportunities will appear that seemed impossible a few years ago. This is not a threat if you prepare. This video shows the exact mindset, routines, and skills to make AI your ladder, not your rival. Listen closely. Governments and companies already report a massive shift. Employers say a huge percentage of jobs now require new skill, rapid upskilling. That's the door. Step through it. Short fact queue, 60 of roles will need reskilling. New AI jobs are growing. Skill alone won't save you. The foundation is mindset. The winners in this age have three things: relentless curiosity, stubborn discipline, and human strengths machines cannot copy. Empathy, imagination, and moral clarity. If you cultivate those, tools become extensions of your will. First, lost income. When passive workers watch wages stagnate. Second, lost opportunity. Jobs shift toward value creators and creatives. Third, underconfidence. Watching others adapt damages self-belief. Decreased bargaining power. Fifth, skill obsolescence. Sixth, reduced resilience in crisis. Social displacement. Fewer meaningful roles. Short notes follow each with a 2-3 sentence real-world example. Now the solution. Use this formula every day. Learn, apply, connect. Learn fast skills. Apply them immediately in real projects. Connect with a small circle that pushes you. When you repeat that cycle, you are future-proof. Follow these 7 steps. Practical, repeatable, and proven. 1. Daily micro-learning. 30 minutes daily on high-value skills, prompt engineering, data literacy, digital product sense. Use short courses and hands-on mini-projects. Action 30-minute schedule example. 2. Tool mastery. Learn 2 AI tools well, 1 for ID for execution. Make them your workflow. Speed, examples, and practice tasks. 3. Human edge. Train conversation, storytelling, and leadership. Practice public speaking, teaching, and feedback loops. Machines can't hold accountable presence. 4. Product mindset. Build outcomes, not tasks. Ship a tiny product every month, a micro course, a short video series. Each shipped product compounds your reputation. 5. Portfolio and proof. Don't wait for certificates. Publish micro case studies before process result. Use GitHub, Notion, or simple videos. 6. Income diversity. Have 3 income channels. If one shrinks, others cover you. 7. Psychological resilience. Daily routines. Early wake, focused deep work block, movement, gratitude, and nightly review. Mental fitness is the difference between panic and pivot. 2 practical tasks viewers can do this week. Practical hacks. A. The 1-week product. Build anything for 7 days. Idea, sell page, first customer. B. The 2-hour sprint. Every morning do 2 hours of creative, undisturbed work. Protect it like a meeting with destiny. This is a moral moment. Those who choose learning and disciplined action will shape markets. Those who choose comfort will be shaped by them. You decide. This week, pick 1 skill, pick 1 tool, ship 1 tiny product, reach out to 2 people, and schedule 5 30-minute learning blocks. Repeat for 90 days, and your life changes.